Oh boy! What day is it today? Hello YouTube. Welcome to Welcome to episode numero 8 of EndGame, the prep series at which I am documenting and bringing you along with me on the journey of documenting my entire preparation for a bodybuilding competition. What's a bodybuilding competition, you may ask? Well, to put it simply, you stand in your pants on a stage under spotlights, sweating your tits off, glazed up, like an original glazed Krispy Kreme donut, really. I prefer a Krispy Kreme. Oh no, fucking food. I need to stop thinking. I'm at the point now where I'm craving foods. So, let me begin the video with a welcome to this episode. The belt on the treadmill isn't working. Come on. There we go. So, I'm in a different gym today. I'm up visiting Famalama Ding Dong in Birmingham. So, I am in the best, in my opinion, gym in the Birmingham area, which is Ironworks in Kings Norton. You won't beat it. It's fucking wicked. I've trained here a million times and I will train here for a million more. The atmosphere is second to none. The kit is wicked. It's got a very sort of sawdusty, chalky, rusty, angry, aggressive, come in here, get your head down, work fucking hard atmosphere, and that's what I love. And the staff are brilliant, second to none, and they help you whenever they can and whenever you need it. So, without further ado, what's this video going to be about? It's going to be a very raw invite into a delt and chest, so push session, but shoulder focused. Chest, shoulder, try with a focus on shoulder today. Remember, we are really working to reduce my body fat and become a fat-free Fage yogurt. That is our aim. So, I'm going to get cracking, have a little walk on here, pre-workout in hand, and we're going to start with a lateral raise machine, moving into a shoulder press. All the shoulder bits are at the start, chest, then try. Most of the workout that you'll see today will be one big set with a back off. So one top set, beat my numbers, leading through into a back off style set. Yes. Do you want to flex for the camera, mate? You sure? You're not too small, mate. Just doesn't want to make people jealous, does it? Right. Let's get it. Fuck me, it is warm. It is hot in here. I've got sweat patches and I haven't even started training yet. I am going to be wet through. Okay, so warm up done. This machine's a little bit of a fucker to get in. Especially if you're ginormous like me, I know. That's the issues that I have, isn't it? I'm so swole. 12 to 15. Oh, fuck. The movement itself is pretty damn short. As you can see, the range is short, so a bit of a sticky one, really. Weight is not the aim here. Weight, not the aim. Execution, form. Technique is aim. Forget about the fucking weight. Lead with elbow, drive elbow higher than wrist. Think that next time. Just watch my form. And if you come up higher than parallel to the ground, you're going to recruit trap. Loud, clangy clang. Right, we are on plate loaded chest. I'm on prep and I. Plate loaded shoulder press. A couple of feeder sets, working my way up to what I believe is my top set weight, which I am going to give a good go. 2.5 plates aside. I've not used this machine before. I don't know what make of kit it is. I couldn't give a shit. Feels really cool though, and it almost converges at the top. So it comes up to a point at the top of your press, which is quite nice. Keeps it a little bit more au natural. So this is what I've got. I've got one big top set and then a back off. I'm aiming for about 8 reps. And my God, it is warm in here. I'm sweating. Okay. Three, 2, 1. I did it. That is fucking heavy. 2-pack is playing. My armpits are moist. What else do you want? I am welcoming you into the third movement. I was going to do that then. Third movement, which is side lateral raise. Set of 20, set of 15, set of 12, and on a 12 it's a drop. So you've joined me on a set of 15 now. Oh, it's fucking horrible, man, isn't it? It's tasty. It's tasty. It's tasty, but it's horrible. Can you see after every rep, I don't start hoiking it up and swinging. I almost pause after every rep and compose myself so I can complete the next rep as good as the previous rep. They don't get any worse. My last rep will typically look exactly the same as my first, give or take. Idea on here is a 10 to 12, which I believe the stack in itself, because I'm so swollen and sexy, the entire machine isn't heavy enough. So I'm going to pause at the top for 2 seconds, flex and squeeze my rear delts as hard as I possibly can. Keeping my elbows high, not trying to uplift. I don't want to, see how as I'm lifting my shoulders, I want to depress. I want to depress my shoulders and drop them nice and low whilst keeping my elbows high, squeezing at the back. There's a lot to think about. You don't just move weight. We're bodybuilders, remember. We're building a body. So have that in mind every fucking rep you do. And if you're a competitive bodybuilder, almost have your poses in the back of your mind every rep you do. You imagine you're hitting a pose, flexing the muscle, yeah? Start to feel as I start to fail, because my mind is in tune with my body. I know how it's supposed to feel. I can feel my scap, my back muscles here, not quite my rear delts coming into play. So I stop there. Oh yeah, you've been on Channel 4?
When we were at school.
Were you Mr. Blobby?
No, we were. We did Good Health.
Yeah.
I have a green hair. It's probably, I could probably find it on YouTube, yeah.
Love it. looking swole. We now have, see that little baby, this piece? I don't know what make of equipment it is. Doesn't really fucking matter. The whole point of it, I'm supposed to do like a cable, like over there, a chest fly, like this. But I fancy using this piece. I've used it before and it's lovely. See these pads, you'll see in a moment. They sit around about crease of your forearm and elbow. And you don't need to use too much weight, which is quite nice. So if you've got any joint issues in your shoulders, etc., this alleviates any of that, which is quite nice. Get in a really, really nice position. You get super, super stretch in the bottom portion of the movement and you get a nice squeeze at the top. So I'm going to do, again, one top set, a couple of feeders moving up into a top set, and then one back off. All right? Check this out. Shit. 8 to 10 with a hard flex. Camera is currently standing on a clothes hanger thing. Give me a jig. This is better angle, isn't it? Here we go then. Take a look at my upper pec. Flex, the best I can. Please take a look at my upper pecs, my chest, as I'm performing this movement. Keep my elbows nice and close. Flexing hard at the top of the exercise. Okay. Eight to 10, 8.5. Love this cable variation. I love having a pad behind me. You don't get this everywhere. Most of the time you just have a free cable, as if you were to stand towards the machine. But having this backing towards it just helps you to, fuck me, the music's loud, to limit any momentum possible, and just to give you that sense of comfort blanket to a degree of, okay, I've got something to lean against me, so when I start to fatigue and I start to tire, I can still move through the reps without swinging and use momentum. It's just having support behind you. Pre-workout ball blowing. Done. Time to pose.
Hit me arm in the camera, mate.
Go on, flex. Hang on, flex it. Yes, I like that. Go a bit more towards the machine. There, like that. Should we do a tricep flex off?
Yeah,
ready? Oh, you'll fucking own me any day. Fuck. Ah! I'll be as big as you one day, bro. Ah! Size of you.